Today you will see what 92 really means and if it is present in your life. Find out why you keep seeing angel number 92. Focus and watch the video until the end, where you will find the correct message for important aspects such as health, money and love in your life. We wish you blessings and we invite you to subscribe to our angelic content. Let's get started. Angel number 92 meaning. Guardian angels are present only to help us identify and solve our own problems. Since we would never learn how to make things better on our own, there is no point in trying to change the course of events for the better. Angels are not only divine messengers, but they can also serve as our heavenly guides and teachers, as well as our celestial teachers. People are unique in their own way. While some people are so confident and courageous that they rarely need help and can accomplish much on their own, others may not be as confident and courageous as they would like to be. However, from time to time, both require the assistance of angels. When we feel down, uninspired, unhappy or depressed, angels come to us and bring us wonderful messages from God. These messages have two purposes: to remind us of our own value and characteristics, and to teach us something valuable. Angel numbers are one of several ways in which angels interact with mankind. These are numbers that appear to be common. A person, on the other hand, who keeps seeing the same number all the time, or who has nightmares about the number, is probably receiving angelic messages. Because we are familiar with numbers and use them on a daily basis, the angels chose numbers as an excellent avenue of communication for humans. It is not difficult to notice that a specific number appears in a variety of scenarios. If we strive to make sense of it, we could feel better and do amazing things. The number 92 is considered an angelic number. It is a two-digit number made up of two extremely strong integers, 9 and 2. If you want to discover other secret meanings of this angelic number, stay to the end. Angel number 92 is composed of the digits 9 and 2, each having a unique meaning in the spiritual realm. Faith, immortality, the universal force of love, freedom, prosperity, idealism, generosity, creativity and charity are all represented by the number 9. Creativity and charity are all represented by the number 9. There are, of course, many more associations that can be made with this amazing number. The number 2 indicates flexibility, diplomatic sense, prudence, sense of obligation and many other qualities and characteristics. The number 9 is mainly favorable, however, it may be related to lack of concentration in some cases. Alternatively, the number 2 could mean insensitivity, lack of emotional awareness, disgust and fear, among other things. Now and before we continue, I invite you to subscribe and share our channel. Your support encourages us to create more valuable content. And as a reward, you have a special gift for you in the link below the video. That will help you attract the wealth, abundance, and quality of life that you deserve. Don't forget to look for it. As you can see, the combination of these numbers results in a very grandiloquent result in the number 92. The angel number 92 is not a negative number, of course, but it represents a period of uncertainty. People born under the sign of the angel number 92 are capable of great achievements, but they are also capable of self-destruction. There are extremes in both directions, as they are prone to mood swings and shift their attention from one task to another too often. They are not harmful to others, on the contrary, they have great compassion for humanity and the people in their immediate environment. They are, on the other hand, difficult to get along with. Angels convey the number 92 to these people as a message of support and education. Their goal is to remind you of your positive attributes and abilities. They would want to make sure that they will not be lost if you have a setback in your life's journey. It will take you some time to regain your confidence, but the fact is that anything is possible. Make an effort to pay more attention to your surroundings than to your personal worries and anxieties. If you want to see what kind of connection exists between love and the number 92, pay attention. It is remarkable how charming and beautiful the 92 numbers can be, even though they are more likely to cause scandals and act strangely than the other numbers. Relationships with these people are often fraught with instability, but there is always a bright side to all the drama. Once you figure out the best way to collaborate with them, they will turn you into amazing friends, partners, relatives, etc. Number 92 is obsessed with finding the perfect partner and finds it hard to accept that people have flaws. They can become so preoccupied with themselves that they cannot express or even feel any emotion at all times. It is quite disconcerting for those who care about them, regardless of whether we are talking about a friendly, family or romantic relationship. The protective angels send you the number 92 to help you overcome the fears that make you focus too much on your own problems. In most cases, they are invented and illogical. In fact, they are not real problems and they pay more attention to them than they should not. It is very likely that they will find a partner who accepts and supports them as they are once they have reached this level of awareness. Finally, take a look at the importance of seeing angel number 92 in your life. Seeing angel number 92 serves as a gentle reminder and a teaching opportunity. The angels do their best to communicate all that we have discussed so far. Focus more on the people in your immediate vicinity. If you are always questioning your own characteristics, ideas or behaviors, both negative and positive, you will remain isolated from the rest of the world. Embracing yourself in your current state will allow people to recognize how wonderful you are in your truest form. First of all, you will be able to understand others better, which will help you in your development and growth, both mentally and spiritually, in the future. Now go for your gift below this video and unlock the wealth you deserve. Click right now. Thank you, and we hope to leave a footprint to make your life great. Blessings forever.